2015 Polaris Gym LXD utility vehicle price, $7,900 location, Statesboro, Georgia. A dependable and highly upgraded 2015 Polaris Gym LXD utility vehicle, built to handle work, recreation, and everyday utility with impressive efficiency. Recently enhanced with a brand new lithium battery and a new high-performance DND electric motor, this GM delivers stronger acceleration, improved reliability, and extended operating life compared to the original setup. Designed for quiet, zero-emission performance, the LXD is ideal for neighborhoods, farms, campuses, warehouses, resorts, and commercial properties where dependable electric transportation is essential. Its rugged utility-focused design provides excellent cargo capability while maintaining a smooth and comfortable ride. 2025 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT. Price, $71,300. Location, Barnesville, Georgia. A breathtaking 2025 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT finished in eye-catching competition yellow tint coat metallic, offering the perfect combination of exotic styling, modern technology, and world-class American performance. This one-owner Corvette has been meticulously maintained in showroom condition, backed by a clean Carfax and clean title, making it an exceptional opportunity for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Designed to deliver thrilling performance with razor-sharp handling, an advanced driver-focused cockpit, and unmistakable Corvette styling, this sports car turns every drive into an unforgettable experience. From its aggressive aerodynamic design to its premium interior and precision engineering, every detail reflects Chevrolet's commitment to performance excellence. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, a high-performance daily driver, or a standout addition to your collection, this 2025 Corvette offers stunning looks, impressive capability, and the legendary performance that has made the Corvette an American icon. 1932 Chevrolet Sedan Vintage Race Car. Price, $10,500. Location, Bethlehem, Georgia. Built for serious competition, this 1932 Chevrolet Sedan Vintage Race Car is a purpose-built open-wheel machine that's fully prepared to hit the track. Originally campaigned as a Florida modified race car, it rides on a 104-inch wheelbase and is powered by a professionally built 383 cubic-inch Mopar V8, delivering the power and reliability needed to run at the front of the pack. Performance is backed by a Burt Racing transmission, a Winters quick-change rear end, a new straight front axle, four-wheel disc brakes, and an adjustable brake bias system for precise handling and braking performance. No expense was spared in creating this race-ready package, and it also includes a generous collection of spare parts, extra wheels, and additional tires, making it an outstanding value for vintage racing enthusiasts. 2024 YLI and Trading Company. Vintage Style Roadster LQVC. Price, $7,200. Location, Statesboro, Georgia, blending timeless 1930s inspired styling with modern engineering. This 2024 YLI and Trading Company. Vintage-style Roadster LQVC delivers classic roadster charm in a fresh, contemporary package. Designed to capture the spirit of early American motoring, this unique vehicle features eye-catching retro body lines, an open-air driving experience, and a lightweight design that makes every cruise enjoyable. Built for drivers who appreciate vintage aesthetics without the maintenance demands of an antique vehicle, the LQVC offers dependable modern construction with unmistakable classic appeal. Whether you're looking for a standout showpiece, a fun weekend cruiser, a parade car, or a conversation-starting addition to your collection, this roadster combines nostalgic style, affordability, and head-turning personality into one unforgettable ride. 1952 milligrams two-door coupe. Price, $9,500. Mileage not provided. Location, Rock Spring, Georgia. A charming blend of British classic styling and dependable Volkswagen engineering, this 1952 milligrams two-door coupe offers vintage character with practical drivability. Powered by a reliable Volkswagen four-cylinder engine paired with a four-speed manual transmission, this unique classic delivers a simple, enjoyable driving experience while benefiting from widely available VW mechanical components. The car is reported to run well and features fairly new tires and a new battery, making it ready for weekend cruises, local car shows, or continued restoration and personalization. With its timeless MG body lines, lightweight design, and distinctive classic appearance, this 1952 model is an excellent opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking an affordable vintage automobile that combines old-world charm, dependable mechanics, and plenty of nostalgic appeal. Bugatti Type 55 Replica Kit Car, VW Chassis. Price, $2,000, previously $3,000. Location, Marana, Arizona. A rare opportunity to own a Bugatti Type 55 Replica kit car, this vintage-inspired project captures the timeless elegance of one of the world's most legendary pre-war sports cars while utilizing a dependable Volkswagen chassis as its foundation. The Replica features classic Bugatti-inspired body styling, attractive wheels and tires, a complete gauge cluster, and numerous components already in place, making it an excellent starting point for a custom build or restoration project. While the car does not include an engine or transmission and has no title, it has never been road-driven, allowing the next owner to complete the drivetrain installation to their own specifications. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe 3LZ. Price, $135,995. Location, Naples, Florida. An extraordinary American supercar, this 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe 3LZ delivers race-inspired engineering, breathtaking performance, and unmistakable exotic styling. Finished to impress and offered as a premium local trade, this Z06 represents the pinnacle of the C8 Corvette lineup with its aggressive aerodynamics, wide body stance, and track-focused design. At its heart is the legendary 5.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-plane crank LT6 V8, producing an exhilarating soundtrack and supercar-level performance that places it among the world's elite sports cars. The luxurious 3LZ trim enhances the driving experience with a premium interior, advanced technology, and driver-focused comfort, while precision handling and cutting-edge performance features make every mile unforgettable. 1958 Devin MG Roadster. Price: $59,500. Mileage: less than 1,000 miles on rebuilt engine. Location: Lynchburg, Virginia.
To offer a drive in the Devin MG right now to show everything's working. All the gauges. Actually has an extra oil gauge for some reason. The oil pressure is over here. Everything else is working right now. Beautiful day here in Virginia on the back roads. Like an adult go-kart. Thing handles so flat, very quick, absolute blast to drive.
A rare and beautifully preserved piece of American sports car history, this 1958 Devin MG Roadster combines the timeless styling of the legendary Devin 295 fiberglass body with the proven performance of a 1958 MGA chassis. Inspired by iconic European racers such as the Ferrari 750 Monza, the Devin 295 became one of the most respected and sought-after fiberglass sports car bodies of the 1950s, admired for its sleek lines, lightweight construction, and outstanding performance potential. Believed to have been professionally built during the 1960s, this period-correct example is powered by a freshly rebuilt MGB 1.8-liter engine featuring a cross-flow cylinder head, larger twin SU carburetors, performance camshaft, and remote oil filter, with fewer than 1,000 miles since the rebuild. The lightweight body and upgraded engine deliver lively acceleration, responsive handling, and an engaging vintage driving experience. 1934 Morgan MX4. Price: $35,000. Location: Dayton, Ohio. A rare and fascinating pre-war British classic, this 1934 Morgan MX4 represents the innovative engineering and unmistakable character that made early Morgan three-wheelers legendary among collectors and vintage motoring enthusiasts. Powered by a 1,000 cubic centimeters matchless V-twin engine, this lightweight machine delivers the authentic sound, feel, and excitement of 1930s open-air driving. The engine is paired with a 3-speed transmission plus reverse, providing a unique and engaging driving experience that reflects the pioneering spirit of Morgan's early designs. Featuring timeless vintage styling, exposed mechanical components, and the unmistakable presence of a handcrafted British classic, this MX4 is far more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling piece of automotive history.